Thank you for watching Ebony Ladies in the DR. I'm your host, Bridget. Bienvenidos a mi canal. So I went to the doctor and it is not COVID. And my doctor said, Bridget, la salud fisica es muy importante. La salud física es muy importante. He said your physical health is very important. And he was shocked because I hadn't seen him in a while because I take great care of myself. My vitals and everything are always good. So I just had like flu-like symptoms, but I'm getting a little bit stronger, but not much, but I feel a little bit better. My spirits are better. I've been trying to move around today. But that is our Spanish. Then he said, La salud física es muy importante. So your physical health is very important. So guys, we got to take care of ourselves and do our best. I am going to rest another day. So hopefully I will have energy to get out and about tomorrow. All right. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And turn on your notification bell so you can get your little bit of Spanish every day. Regular episodes are every Thursday, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you missed the episode last night, go back and check it out. All right. I will talk to y'all soon.